show you something? This feels like you can't get any more Dutch. I've come to learn that these ducks are Dutch. And then, can you see over there? Deep in the distance, that is a windmill. And then water that was probably not here originally. Dutch people probably put this here. Don't know how. They're very good at that. And there's a flag, a Dutch flag. Welcome to the insides of my logbook while doing a PhD in AI. I made coffee with no milk, but tell me why it looks like it has milk. I find that so crazy. It was a fancy coffee machine. Cheers. Can you see all the cows? Are you talking to the camera? Yeah. So something happened in Delft Tunnel, and now we have the train had to turn around. We were literally in Delft. Now. So I didn't know this in this parking base. The blue ones are for people that have like baskets like this. So I parked mine in the wrong place. So then yesterday, we have now moved it, and now I have a and we do groceries with our huge backpack on. But we thought we'd get it done now, so we have to leave the house again. Protein! That does not look great. Best flavor! So this is an old school angle. We haven't had me in my pajamas for a while. But yeah, today I didn't do well, I did a lot of things today, but I didn't film them. I think I'm a bit tired. I'm crawling, like literally crawling to the end of December. I have 2 more social engagements until I am on holiday. And I cannot wait to be in the bush with a beer, actually with a glass of wine, just chilling. But today I unpacked my bags from India finally. So that was a big thing for today. And I'm editing the vlogs, which are kind of fun. But yes, it's time for me to go to bed. And I will chat to you tomorrow. Thanks for coming along. I think I have 82 subscribers. That's crazy. That is a crazy amount. But you will only see these vlogs probably in January. So I hope you've had a lovely holiday season. Sleep nicely.